Hello guys, welcome to another video of TweetX review. I am Apurba. As you can see, we are here at the front end members area and we are going to review this software today. But the biggest problem in affiliate marketing business is laser targeted traffic. We may all learn from one place or another how to promote a product, how to build a relationship, how to build a trust, but ultimately we get stuck for traffic. A lot of time we know where our potential customers might be, but we don't find them, and as a result we don't get a chance to form a relationship with them. That's where TweetX come into play. In this video we are going to talk about this software and see what the software do for you, and also talking about some bonuses which I pick for you only. Okay, so if you find this interesting, then please stick with me in this video and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, because YouTube gonna love this. So let's get started. In a nutshell, TweetX is a Chrome extension, as you can see here. So here you can see you can download this Chrome extension. So in a nutshell, TweetX is a Chrome extension from where you target your potential customers on Twitter. With the help of this extension, you can directly follow them, DM them and their personal message, and build your trust and relationship with them. In this course, they will show you how you can do it step by step, and the best part is they are giving you 5 low ticket done for you campaigns that you can promote on TweetX or Twitter or any other social media platforms, or there another high ticket campaigns. They will show you how you can manage a campaigns, a high ticket campaigns for Twitter. And so before go through this training and this software, we will go through the bonuses. So this is my bonus page. You will find this bonus page in the link. So the first link will be the bonus page link. Okay, so let's get to see the first bonus. Okay, so the first bonus is 10k a month online case study reveals. Okay, so you will learn how exactly they make 10k per month. Okay, next bonus is Bing ad mastery training. So you will get how to start a campaigns with Bing ads. So Bing ads is very cheap according to various research. So this Bing ads training will help you to create a campaigns on Bing. Okay, next bonus is self-publishing master guide. Okay, so you will learn how to find profitable keywords and niches. You will learn the killer ebook descriptions ready for copy and paste. You will learn so many things on master guides. Okay, next bonus is how to explore your YouTube channel. So Brendan Massey is a 8-figure marketer. He will show you how he make his channel 37,000 subscribers. Okay, so he discovered the secrets to building up a YouTube channel first. Okay, so next bonus is 5-figure freedom. So you will learn a step-by-step method for building a 5-figure monthly income. Okay, next bonus is a 10k storytelling formula. So you will learn how to tell a story, that conventional story, that to your customers, so that your customers are not gonna say no to your offer. Okay, so next bonus is FB live handbook. So you will learn how to turn FB live into $100 to $300 per day. Next bonus is 6-figure swipes light. So you will get swipes, tons of swipes, so that you can just copy and email to start your email campaigns. Okay, next bonus is ultimate traffic mantra. So this is the solutions to your traffic problem. And last bonus is launch jacking, hijack your way to success. Okay, so these are the bonuses, and the total cost of these bonuses is $1,600. So you will find all of these bonuses after buying this software. So after buying the software, after buying the TweetX, you will redirect to the thank you page of Warrior Plus, and you will see this blue button. So you need to click on this blue button to get all of these bonuses. Okay, so let's get to see the TweetX dashboard. So this is a dashboard, and there are so many step-by-step formula training, you will say. Here you can see how to create your Twitter profile. So this is very easy, you can do it at your own. So they will show you how you can do it also. Next is TweetX follow. So they will show you how the help of TweetX you will follow your targeted customers. So in this extension you need to put a keyword. So this according to this keyword you will see your potential customers. Okay, in this TweetX tweet you will they will show you how you can tweet to your potential customers. Here is the direct message sections where you can DM them directly and build a relationship. In this low ticket done for you campaign sections, they will show you how you can build a campaigns. So there is in the front end they will give you 5 done for you campaigns, so that you just need to take your affiliate link from Warrior Plus and JBizoo. So they will give you some 5 products which was launched on JBizoo and Warrior Plus before, and you just need to take your affiliate link and put on this section. So you can access this page creator here. Okay, in the next section they will show you how you can build a campaigns for Twitter on a high ticket product. Okay, so these are the trainings, and this is the front end all about. And if you want to upgrade your software, in the OTO2 they will give you 20 done for you campaigns, so you will get more chance and more offer to promote on your potential customers. Okay, so in the upgrade section you can upgrade your software. As you can, I will show you here. As you can see, upgrade 1 is $47. The front end price is only $13. So if your potential customers on Twitter, if you know that your potential customers on Twitter, then TweetX software is best for you. Okay, so you can upgrade your software. Here you can see upgrade 1 is $47, which is TweetX Unlimited. You can pause the video and read the descriptions, the offer they will give you with upgrade 1. So upgrade 2 is $97, which is TweetX done for you. So in this upgrade you will get more 25 done for you campaigns for your. Okay, here you can see done for you campaigns, done for you product to sell, done for you scripts to get traffic and maximize conversions. Simply copy and paste, no technical skills required. Upgrade 3 is $147, which is TweetX reseller bundle. So with this upgrade you can resell this software, resell this extension, and get 100% bonus on your pocket. Okay, OTO4 is $197, which is TweetX 30-day personal coaching training. Okay, they will give you personal one-to-one live call. So this will helping you if you want to build your career on affiliate marketing. Okay, so OTO 5 or upgrade 5 is $197, which is limitless traffic plus advanced traffic training. So this is also a training, so you can upgrade it if you wish. Okay, so these are the upgrades and these are the prices of this TweetX software. Okay, so let's get back to see the sales page. So the sales pages look like this, as you can see. Okay, so you need to click on this button. Before that, after going to the bonus page, you need to click on these green buttons, any of these green buttons that will redirect you to the sales page. And after that you need to click on these buttons to get TweetX and all of my bonuses. So you will get 30 days of money back guarantee. Okay, so you can use this extension for 30 days, and if you find this not working, then you can refund and you will get 100% money back, no question asked. Okay, so some important informations are there. You can roam around the sales page before after going to the bonus page. Okay, so here you can see step 1, logging, target millions of buyers. Step 2 is watch the app instantly, find the laser targeted traffic. So this TweetX extension allow you to find targeted traffic on your niche. Okay, so that's all about TweetX. So again I say you that if you find that your potential customers are on Twitter, then you can go for this. Other than less, this software is not for you, this extension is not for you. Okay, so thank you guys, I hope you understand. And if you find this video interesting, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, because I am making these kinds of video regularly and that will help you on your business. Okay, so you will find this bonus page link in the description. You can go and the first link will be the bonus page link. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, take care.